Hello viewers, this is Sarita Prasad, fashion designer. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am back for the new video. Here we have to make a texture file. In garment industry, texture is the most dominant factor because it represents first look of your outfits. और कहते हैं ना, first impression is last impression. So here we know about texture. In simple way, fabric outer look is called texture. Texture describes the body and surface of fabric. Textures may be rough or smooth, coarse or fine, soft or stiff, thin or bulky, opaque or sheer, shiny or dull, heavy or light, or any combination of these characteristics. In other words, texture is the surface appearance of fabric. Texture is the one element you can see and feel. Texture is found in the thickness and appearance of the fabric. ये तो थी जानकारी टेक्सचर से रिलेटेड. Now we know about how to make paper texture. First of all, we know about how to make vegetable texture. First is potato. So we take a potato and cut from between and apply poster color on it. Now press on the chart paper and after dry, create any drawing. It's totally depends on your imagination. After then cut the drawing and paste on your texture file. यानी कि पोटैटो टेक्सचर बनाने के लिए सबसे पहले एक पोटैटो लेंगे और उसे बीचों बीच काट लेंगे. उसके बाद उस पर पोस्टर कलर अप्लाई करेंगे और फिर उसे प्रेस करेंगे चार्ट पेपर पर. तो ये हमारा हो गया टेक्सचर पोटैटो का. अब कोई भी डिज़ाइन क्रिएट कर लेना है. In the same process, we will make texture of onion, lady's finger and bitter gourd also. Now we know about how to make wax drop. For wax drop, first of all you drop wax on paper, then you have to color on it and create a new design as your choice. Next is wax rubbing. For wax rubbing, you have to rub wax on paper. Now color on it and create any design. Next, thread dabbing texture. Take thread and dip in color, then dab on paper and create design. Next is thread pulling. For this texture, dip thread into the color and pull on paper and also create design on your own imagination. Okay? Next is thread rolling. Dip the thread roll into the color and move on paper and create design. Next is Fevicol carving. In this process, first of all spread Fevicol on the paper and take a empty pointed refill and draw a design on it. अब आप देखोगे कि Fevicol मर्ज हो रहा है. After some time, you repeat same process on same design. Repeat it 3 to 4 times. For Fevicol tube texture, you take a Fevicol tube and draw a design. After dry, you have to color on it. For jute texture, take a jute fabric and dip into color and dab on the paper and create a design. Now we know about ink blow texture. Take water and add color to it. Now drag the color in a straw and blow on paper and create design as you wish. वाटर में कलर ऐड करना है और उसे एक स्ट्रॉ के सहारे ड्रैग करना है और फिर इसे पेपर पर ब्लो करना है और कोई भी डिज़ाइन आपने क्रिएट कर लेना है. For dry brush texture, first of all take flat brush and dip in color. After that, color on paper by pressing brush as your required design. Leaf texture के लिए take a leaf and apply color on it. Now dab on paper. For thumb texture, dip thumb in poster color and create design as your imagination. For paper crumbling texture, crumb the paper and dip into color and dab on paper and make design. For blade texture, apply color on blade and create design. For spray texture, it's a very simple painting. Perhaps everybody knows dip toothbrush in color and spray on your design. For marble texture, ये पेपर टेक्सचर बनाने के लिए एक डिश लेंगे, उसमें टाइप्स ऑफ कलर डालेंगे। जब डिश में कलर्स स्प्रेड हो जाए तो एक प्लेन पेपर लेंगे और कलर्ड वाटर में ऊपर से सारे कलर को कैच करेंगे राइट टू लेफ्ट। ओके, अब सारा कलर पेपर में आ जाएगा। नाउ क्रिएट योर डिज़ाइन अकॉर्डिंग टू योर इमेजिनेशन। नाउ गिव अ न्यू डायमेंशन टू योर इमेजिनेशन। एंड लास्ट इज कॉइन टेक्सचर। Dip the coin in color and press on paper and create design. It's so simple. So here I am showing how to make texture file. First of all, you take a sketchbook like this. But इसमें इस तरह से ये thin paper नहीं attach होगा, इसे खुद से बनाना होगा, okay? As a album. It's totally depends on your imagination. Now we see one by one texture. First is potato texture and onion texture. This is lady's finger texture and bitter gourd. This is wax drop texture. Now we see wax rubbing texture and thread dabbing. This is thread pulling texture and this is thread rolling texture. ये बहुत ही खूबसूरत डिज़ाइन है ना? आप लोग भी कुछ अच्छे से डिज़ाइन यूज़ करेंगे। Now we see फेविकॉल carving and this is फेविकॉल tube texture. This is jute texture and this is ink blow. This is flat brush or dry brush texture. And this is leaf texture. Now we see thumb texture. And this is paper crumbling and blade texture. This is spray texture. And this is marble texture. And last is coin texture. तो आप लोगों ने देखा टेक्सचर फाइल कैसे बनेगा। So yeah, that's it for today. Till then, take care and do practice. Bye bye.